Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Anjal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in the last session, as you all know that we have started with the topic that is in the last from the last few sessions we have started with the chapter number 7, that is word processor. Okay, so in the last session we were discussing this topic, that is the word window, how the window of a word document looks and what are the various views, okay, that you can see, okay, on the where the various options you can see on a word window. So this is a word window, so this is a picture of a word window that is given in your book. ओके, सो इसमें आपके जो जब आप एक वर्ड की विंडो को ओपन करते हो, सो हाउ it looks, it is given here. So in the last session we have discussed we have already discussed some of the top just a minute. Okay, so in the last session we have already discussed about the file tab and the quick access toolbar, sorry, the title bar, file tab and the quick access toolbar. So first 3 points we have already discussed. Moving next to the fourth one, that is ribbon. So what are ribbons? So okay, so you can see here, these are ribbons. These are ribbon and this is ribbon tab. So ribbon tab and ribbons, okay, I'll show you here on the screen. Okay, so I have prepared a document, okay. Okay, so I'll show you with the help of my screen. So I have already prepared a document for you all. So this is a document, I'm opening a Word document, I'm opening in front of you by making a double click. So it is getting open, so just give some seconds so that, okay, so now this is Microsoft Word 2010 that is opening in front of you all. Okay, now in this document I'll show you the various options that are already available in the Microsoft window, with which you can work with very efficiently and very smoothly. Okay, so this we had already done. This upper one, the story on Thirsty Crow, this is the title bar. Okay, the red one is the title bar, that is the story on the Thirsty Crow. After that we had done this quick access toolbar and file tab. Now as we were discussing about the ribbon tab, so this, the option of home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. So these all are known as ribbon tab. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is known as ribbon tab. So one thing that you can see, so first of all I clicked on home, so you can see these options. Now as I click on the insert, the options given below get changed. Moving to the page layout, again some other options are available here. References. Okay, so then again the options. So as I'm clicking on the each and every option of the ribbon tab, the below this one is getting changed. तो जैसे इसमें ribbon tab के ऊपर click कर रही हूँ, home, insert, page layout, references, नीचे वाली जो options हैं ये क्या होती जा रही, change होती है. तो this is getting changed. So all these options or all these commands that are given below, they are known as ribbons. Okay, so this is known as ribbons. Okay, and these are known as ribbons. So home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, view, they are known, that is known as ribbon tab. And उसको click करने के बाद जो नीचे changes हो रहे हैं, that is known as ribbons. Right, this is known as ribbons. Next is insertion point. So according to the book, the next topic after ribbon and ribbon tab, the next is the insertion point. So what is insertion point? Insertion point is a flashing line on the screen that indicates where the text you type will appear. Okay. So now I'll show you. This is the Word document. So you can see a line that is blinking over here. Okay, so wherever you click the mouse, that insertion point will move there also. Okay, so now I have clicked here, so now you can see this is the insertion point that is over here. Okay, so insertion points mean, so wherever the insertion point lies, at that place we can insert any kind of text. तो जहाँ भी आप insertion point होगा Word document में, there you can easily insert any kind of text. So this is known as insertion point. Okay, so as I click here, insertion point moved here. Okay, now it's blinking. Okay, blink हो रहा है and it is blinking. Okay, this is known as insertion point, right? Okay, after the insertion point, the next topic that we are having in our book is views of documents. So in how many different ways you can view a document? There are certain ways in the Word document in which you can view a document. Okay, आप एक document को कई तरह से view कर सकते हो. So options are given over here. The first is the print layout. Okay, so as I click here, so this is the print layout. They already print layout form में है. Second, that is full screen mode. So now I clicked as, okay, I'm just repeating one more time so you can see here. So this is my cursor. Look over the cursor. Now cursor is on the right side below. Okay, look at below. Look at the bottom in the right option. So as you move your cursor on the second option, that is known as full screen reading. Okay, so this is another view of the document. Now as I click here, the full screen you can see. Okay, so there are two pages in the document. So now as you can also see the two pages here. Okay, so this is the full screen reading view. Next, the third one is the web layout. The third one is the web layout. So now let's click on it and get it. Okay, so this is the web layout. So how documents are displayed on web. So this is the web layout view of the document. Next is outline. Click here. So now this document is appearing in the form of an outline. So this is another view of a document. Okay, so this is another view of a document. Next, after this, the next view is draft. So now as I clicked on the draft option, so now you can see the document is over here. It is quite very small. So this is in the draft form. But whenever you want to make a printout of a document, you have to click on this option, that is print layout. Okay, so whatever you will type, that will be better if you press the print layout view document view, and from there you can make the changes or you can print the document very easily. So this is view of the document. Next, scroll bars. The next is the scroll bars. The scroll bars helps you to move the content of the document up, down, right and left. Okay, now next is the scroll bar. So this is the scroll bar. Okay, so this is used for moving the page up and down. Page को ऊपर नीचे लेके जाना है, so you can move from here. That is scroll bar. Okay, so not only up and down, you can move this left and right also. How? Okay, for that I have to increase the size of the document. So now I'm increasing the size of the document. So now as you all can see, a scroll bar on the right side. Okay, so this is the scroll bar on the right side. Okay, so with which you can move the page up and downward, जिसकी help से आप जो page को up and ऊपर और नीचे you can move it. Another scroll bar is over here in which you can move the document right and left. Okay, Okay, so now this is the scroll bar that is used for scrolling the document up and down and left and right. Okay, so this is left and right movement, this is up and down movement of the that we can do with the help of the scroll bar. Okay, but when you decrease the size from this zoom out and zoom in, okay, जब आप zoom से उसका size छोटा करोगे, all you can see that the scroll bar from here is completely disappeared. Okay, so scroll bar is only required when the document view is out of the focus, okay, or out of the main screen. Clear? चलिए, next is, after this the next is status bar. Okay, the next is the status bar. So on the status bar is situated on the bottom of the Word document. It displays information such as word count, page number, line number, zoom slider, language and the other details. So now I'll show you the Word status bar. So now click on the Word document. So this is the status bar. Okay, so this is status bar. So you can see there number of pages, 1 of 2. So this is the number of pages. Second is how many lines are there, that is already written, that is 10 lines. How many lines? 10 lines are there. Next is how many words. So there are 138 words. So okay, so this is all being shown on the status bar. So जो भी नज़र आ रहा है, this is on the status bar. Okay, this, okay, the document view is also on the status bar. Other than that, we have zoom out and zoom in option, and this is the zoom slider. Okay, तो इसको आप जिधर लेके जाओगे उसी अकॉर्डिंगली जो आपका डॉक्यूमेंट है वो zoom in and out होता है. So this is known as the zoom slider. Okay, and this is for zooming out. Okay, if you want to decrease the zooming, okay, and if you want to increase the zoom, okay, आप चाहते हो कि डॉक्यूमेंट आपको बड़ा बड़ा दिखे तो you can zoom in, zoom out. Clear? So this is known as zoom in and zoom out. Okay, the next is the window control buttons. So the next is the window control buttons. So you see the cursor, this is minimize, restore down, and the third is close. So these are known as the window close button. So what is the use of window close button? Sorry, window control button. So we can minimize the document by using this option, that is the minimize option. So जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे click किया, the document is minimized. Okay, now again if I click here, the document will get open in front of me. Next is the restore down. So if I click on this option, the document in its previous view will appear in front of us. So as I click here, तो पहले इस document का size इतना था. Okay, now if I click like this, it is restored again. Again, if I'm storing it like this and I'm decreasing its size, okay, now I'm decreasing its size. Next again, okay, next again I'm restoring it down. Okay, now again restoring. Okay, so देखिए जहाँ पे हमने सेट किया था वही उसी सेटिंग पे आ गया ये. So this is the restoring or maximizing the document. This is known as minimize. Second is maximize. Third is close button. So what is the use of close button? So close button is basically used for closing any document. So if I click here, this document will be closed. Okay, so minimize I have already shown you. Now again clicking here, this is the maximize. Clicking here, so it's ये जो पूरी document का size है वो maximize कर देता है. The last is the close. So as I click on this close, everything that is opened in front of me in this Word window get closed. So as I click here, तो बंद हो गया. So nothing is available here. You can't see any Word window here. Okay. So this is the use of the close button. So these are known as these three: minimize, maximize and close button. They are known as window control button. So they are known as window control button, right? Chaliye. The next is navigation pane. So what is the navigation pane? So navigation pane in Word 2010 provides you way to find out you are looking for in your document. You can move easily through the document by clicking the heading of the section you want to see. You can hide and show navigation pane through view button. The next is the navigation pane. Okay, you for finding any kind of document you have to click on navigation pane. So जहाँ पे भी आपने document save किया है, you will get it there only. So for that, okay, so there are certain options that you need to follow. Okay, that will tell you about the navigation pane. Okay, कहाँ पे वो आपका document है, क्या उसकी position है, so that you can see with the help of the navigation pane only. Clear? So now I'm going to show you. Click on view. Okay, click on view, and now on this view, okay, so first of all click on the view ribbon tab, then click on this ribbon that is navigation pane show. So जैसे आप इसको check करोगे, this is the navigation pane of the document that is appearing in front of you. Okay, so this is the navigation pane of the document. Okay, this is navigation pane. Next, after navigation pane, the next is the work area. What is the work area? So which area is considered as a work area in, which area is considered as work area in Word document? So this is completely a work area. So all the space where I have typed the story, this is the work area, जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. You can type anything. देखिए, you can type anything. So I am typing. Okay, so I am typing. So this is known as, this is the work area. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप चाहो तो if you want to insert any picture, you can insert it. If you want to add any chart, you can add it as well. So this is a work area where you are basically complete the work, of where you do the work, whether it is of making any document, any presentation or any kind of thing, that you can easily do it in this work area, that okay, of the MS Word. Clear? Now moving to the book. So with this we have completed the topic, that is the Word window. Okay, so you can see, so everything is being shown already with the help of a green color. Quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon tab, file tab, insertion points, scroll bars, work area, view of the document, okay, and ribbons. So this is all what you have seen on the screen. Okay, so this is the complete navigation page, this is the complete window, Word window that you are seeing on your screen. After this, the next topic is file tab. Now what is file tab? So we have already discussed about the file tab when we have started the topic. Okay, so file tab is basically the backstage view of the document. Okay, so it is basically the backstage view of a document. Okay, so okay, now okay, so as you click on this tab, this is a file tab, it shows you the backstage means क्या क्या है पीछे. So as I click here, you can see save option, save as, open, close. So open is used for opening a new document, close is for closing the document. Okay, new, if you want to open some new document, you can click here and open it new one. Okay, and if you want to recent, कि अभी recently आपने जिन documents के ऊपर काम किया है, you want to see that, you can have to click on this recent option in the MS Word. Clear? Now in detail I'll elaborate in the next session. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.